The day is still young, my car is still old, and I have a diesel motor chilling in the yard, and all its guts in a barrel, in a racing seat with a crate, a brass radiator, and a stupid dog. Hey, it's still here. Today's tutorial is how to install a cylinder head on a car that's half worked on. Step 1, you want to get one of these, and then you just kind of scrape off the old crap. As you can see, it is cleaning it up real nice. There's no need for a block resurface. You just have to clean it up and you'll be good to go. I think we got an oil burner. That's a lot of play in there. Oh boy, that one's kind of bad too. It is what it is. Maybe I should have gotten a motor. Oh wait, I got a motor. It's a diesel. They might get mad. I have a diesel. Last time the timing belt was done was in 03 at 79,000 miles. 133,000, so that's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, wait, 500,000 miles. It looks pretty good. I'm guessing it's good for another, it's good for some more miles. But at 03, I don't know. Bro, it's looking pretty good, man. What you do? I used a Titan. Get the edges all nice and good, yeah. All nice and good. Yum. Get that a little bit more. Yeah, get that film off of it. Yeah, get out of here, film. This is a camera. Get out of here, film. Welcome to the show. This is film. Yeah. I wonder if this is bad. I don't really have to do much with this one. Burning a lot of oil. That one's just been all dirty. This one is not so bad. I'm gonna leave it alone. Let's see if we can get oil to come out. I'm spinning it the right way. That's how you know. Now it's time to guess where the oil is going to come from, I guess. Right there. Okay, my eyes peeled. So if it spins that way, it must be clockwise then. Dude, what is that? It's a water pump? Bruh, did all the blades fall off or something? I smell breath. Num. Alright, we're gonna knock all the junk off of there. What is going on in here? Is there even a water pump anymore? Yummy. We got a bit of a situation going on. This is what happens when I plugged in the battery. They're talking about electrical issues. Fuel pumps out. No sign of oil. Good enough. There goes my tool. Now what I'm going to do, take a little bit of WD. I'm going to put it around the wall on the top. And with the other side, put a little bit around the top. Now, I'm just going to turn the motor. Oh, yeah. And just wipe off all the dirt. So my cylinder walls will be nice and clean. The head is not pitted like the other one I had, so this one will be a lot better, but I am going to service this head and make sure everything's alright. So I decided that maybe it's too much work to try to lap these valves, so I decided I'm going to check if they're even leaking. This is how you check. You just do that, both sides. And then I'll see which ones are leaking. Looks like we already got a leak. On this one for sure we got a leak. See it seeping through. And then on the other side, there should be leaks as well. That one looks really bad. And then this side is pretty good. Valve lapping. And we got some more. I'm going to do all of them just because there's not that many. All nice and clean, ready for install. Camshaft is going in. Progress is being made. Valves are lapped. Things are doing good. I cleaned everything up really good. Intake side is super clean. Another day, another dollar. Get this crap out of here. I don't want these stupid stickers. Summer love. Oh no, it left a residue. Yeah, no. Oh, that's gonna suck. Let's get this one. Wacky and Wednesday. More pop on the trunk prop. This one gotta be a little more careful with because I don't want to mess up the heater. Yeah, this one's not gonna do so well. Ow! That hit me in the toe right there. I'm really happy they didn't put too many stickers on here. That would not be fun. Oh my gosh, they covered another sticker. They obviously didn't like that sticker that much. These lights are really fancy. Some silicone holding it together. This car is dog-o-matic because it smells like dog. Much better. All the garbage is gone except for that. This is annoying. Oh well. So I aired up the tires. Thing looks way better now. Today, I'm living under my car. We got a massive fuel leak. Come on, be the right size. It's not the right size. That's some pretty nasty oil. I almost got scared. My pan was gonna get too full. That's like chocolate pudding. Ew. That's gross. I'm just gonna cap it up real quick here. There's a giant bubble forming. It is taking over the universe. So it's brown, it's not black. That is a sign that there's a head gasket leak. The reason it turns brown is because of water mixed with the oil. The majority of the time that's what it means. Sometimes you can get water in the crankcase without a head gasket leak, like rain water or something. And that's why I thought there was a head gasket leak on that other motor. Bro! So I got my random filters box. I'm guessing this one's gonna work. That's too big. This one might work. It's about the right size. Too big. This might work. That might work. How a stocking filter. Oh, this one looks cool. Nice. Color. Oh, somebody decided to RVT all of that. Fantastic. Scuba dooba dooba. Scuba dooba doo. New canister going in. A crusty washer, clean it up, put some RVT on it. Some wire. Now it looks like they bypassed these. These always are crap. I've had issues with them on my other car. What is this guy? So this goes to the crank vent, and then that goes somewhere to the front, to the manifold. Maybe it's there. That's a coolant jack. I don't know. Whatever. Yeah. So I go to the junkyard, buy me a cylinder head, and I get a new distributor and rotor. and spark plugs and a sensor. I'm chilling. Free stuff that otherwise would cost me hundreds of dollars. I'm at the stage where I need to torque everything down. Almost done. Fat Black Widow right there, buddy. You're dead. Ah. Ready to go. Sometimes I wonder why I don't use my drill. Everything's together here except for the cooling system. I need to put the radiator in. This one's cracked. And then I put the airbox in. This is back on. I've primed the oil. The oil pressure went up and I'm ready to start it. I put some 15W40. Oh, there goes my light. I know what's wrong with it. It ain't got no gas in it. Hello, thirsty buddy. You want a drink? Here you go. Here's some Kool-Aid. Yum. It decides to start. Okay. Alright. So, let's just chill. First turnover. Oh, that sounds like a bad motor. It's rod knock. Something's smoking. This is what it takes to get this thing to start. 2 jump boxes and a battery charger. I get to watch the belts turn now. I forgot. There's no coolant in the engine. I'm gonna put the radiator in tomorrow. It is getting late. Tomorrow is another day. Shut up. Last night, I was thinking about why my car wouldn't run right. This is open, and I need to close it. I need to put a PCV on there, because the massive flow is not getting enough. So today, I'm going to be getting a battery, running my PCV line, changing the radiator. I'm going to check the transmission fluid, because I'm going to be popping these lines off. So I went ahead and tapped my radiator out. All that came out of the radiator. Still a little bit left in there. The radiator's in. Alright, we're ready to go.
Is it powerful?
Oh, something fell out in the middle of the road. Let's go get it.
I can't see him with the camera. It's slow, dude. Do you know it was about to drift?
Yeah. See, this is weird. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So I got this car running. I'm finally driving it.
Oh, you're going in here?
Yeah.
That's right.
I forgot that I had stuff in my trunk. The lights look okay. I didn't crack anything. My vacuum cleaner's upside down. I hope my spark plugs are okay. Whatever. Just drift, dude. They said drift.